Hello everyone, today I'm talking about the history of the football player Kevin De Bruyne. Kevin De Bruyne, born on June 28, 1991 in Bigon, is a renowned midfielder currently playing for Manchester City. He began his career at Chelsea but gained prominence during his time at VfL Wolfsburg, winning the Bundesliga Player of the Season. Since joining Manchester City in 2015, he has been instrumental in the team's success, contributing to multiple titles. De Bruyne is also a key player for the Belgian national team, known for his exceptional vision and passing ability. He is celebrated as one of the top midfielders in the world. Thank you for watching my video.